Hello everybody, I'm Henry Lee at my home backyard. I'm going to do a plein air painting or sketch of spring roses. They start to fade, so before it's blowing away by the spring wind, I'm going to do a sketch. I'm wearing this camera, as you can see. Okay, I hope you can still see me. This is the sketch I did earlier this morning of this flower. And I'm going to do the red ones behind. Okay, let me get my brush and watercolor. Okay. I'll do this one first. Forgive me if you got some movement. I'm holding the book, the sketchbook, and the palette. I'm using the Western colors. I got some Daniel Smith watercolor here. I think it's probably too bright to see. Let me see it this way, maybe better. Okay. And I hope you can still see the flowers. I've got some crimson, some prime red, okay, and some ultramarine. I would like to do the profile. This is the profile. Okay. I hope you can see my hand. Okay, here we go. Oh, the hummingbirds coming. I love them. They like the color, I think, the red. Okay, one stroke, and I got some more water from the handle. And I like to do this flower. Just a half of the flower. It's like fading. I like that half flower. And I have a poem in mind, and I'll write as a title later. Okay, now I got some yellow. Alright. And add a little bit yellow to this one as well. Just light. Just like a feel of light. Okay, I don't really do the shading in Chinese painting. Let me change the color to green. Some red to do the leaves here. I try to keep it simple, poetic. One stroke painting. I think that's about it. I just add a little thorns. Okay, I'm going to write the title. Let me say it in Chinese first, I will translate later. And it says the fragrance flying without shaking, and petals falling without flying, petals flying with wind. Okay, that's the idea of the spring, late spring rose. I retouch a little bit with the veins, just a little accent. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'll send still pictures to Facebook when I sign and seal it.